How to transfer WhatsApp chats from old phone to new phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the WhatsApp application on your device, and as you launch the WhatsApp application, tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner. Now tap on settings, and as you tap on settings, scroll down to tap on the option of storage and data. So here you'll be able to see there is no option to transfer. So we're going to go back and simply tap on the option of chats to check. And as we scroll down at the bottom of the screen, we can see the option of transfer chats. So let's tap on transfer chats, and here what you can do is simply tap on start to transfer the chat and wait for a few seconds until it loads us to new page. So you can see it's just preparing. After that, all you need to do is simply tap on the new number and you'll be able to transfer all your WhatsApp chats from old phone to new phone. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.